Hello all. I want to thank the BagSmart brand for providing me with this rugged quality attractive rolling travel or camping bag in exchange for my impressions. This bag is perfect for my son who doesn't have a lot of storage space where he lives, and this collapsible duffel style will take up minimal space in his closet. I love that this bag has a water-resistant, tear-proof material. That means it's going to last a long time, and because it's easy to wipe down it will always look great. This bag has a 70-liter large capacity, and though it's comparable to a standard 26-inch suitcase, it can really expand and hold a lot. The first thing you do is snap the two support rods into place, and now we're ready to start our packing. For testing and demo purposes, I just grabbed 10 pairs of my own pants and 14 shirts. I grabbed a handful of socks and underwear and then stuffed my husband's toiletry bag full of everything I could find. And I can tell, there's still more room for plenty more things. I love the separate top section that can be used to hold an extra pair of shoes. Keeping your footwear separate from your clean clothes is a smart design idea. All packed. Love the rugged look. Now let's imagine we're ready to head to the airport. This bag's hidden and protected two-stage pull handle together with the two oversized smooth rolling wheels will help you glide your fully packed suitcase down sidewalks, trails and airport pathways with total ease. I know my son will really appreciate the oversized tumbler pocket, because he never leaves home without a generous amount of his fresh coffee. The bag has a nice large front zippered pocket which would be great for storing your passport, cell phone, or any needed documentation for your trip. Then on the inside of the bag's cover there's an extra padded zipper compartment which would be a great place to store your laptop or tablet. When your trip is over, it's very easy to unsnap the support rods and collapse the bag down to prepare it for storage. A quick clean up with a damp cloth to get it all ready for the next trip. I just love that this full-size suitcase can collapse down so that it takes up a minimal amount of storage space. My son's going to love this, and I'm sure you will as well. Hope you'll give it a go. Take care and ta-ta for now.